In this video, I'll be showing you how to install APK files on Samsung phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Basically, all you want to do is go to whatever website you want and download the APK file. So I'll be showing it like this. It says file might be harmful, but if you trust it, all you got to do is press download anyway. Now from here, you can swipe out and then go over to your files application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press Samsung right there. Then I'm going to see the My Files app. So all you got to do is go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see a lot of different things. You can go to downloads, and as you can see, the APK file is right there, but I can also go to APK installation files, which is right there. Now, as you can see, 2nd November, which is today, that's the one I want to click on. So I just go ahead and click on that. Now it says, for your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps. You can change that in settings. So all I got to do is allow permission right there. Now it says, do you want to update this app? All you got to do is press update, and then it says app installed. Then you can just open it if you want to, or you can just press done, and that's it. You'll be good to go. It's that easy to install an APK file. It was very quick for me, but just bear in mind, if you have a bigger APK file, it might take a bit longer, but it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.